In this video, I'm going to share how to fix the Ludo King game hanging problem. I will show you 3 settings that may help improve the game's performance. First, open your mobile settings. After that, tap Other Wireless Connections. Now tap Private DNS. Select Designated Private DNS, then tap Modify and enter the DNS address that I have provided in the description. After that, tap OK. This may help reduce ads in Ludo King, which can sometimes affect the game's performance. Next, enable developer options on your phone. The steps may vary depending on your device, so make sure developer options are enabled first. Then, open developer options, scroll down, and enable Don't Keep Activities. After that, tap Background Process Limit and set it to No Background Processes. This will stop unnecessary background apps that may be causing the game to lag. Finally, open your phone's settings. Go to Apps and select Ludo King. Tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. After that, go back and tap Force Stop. That's it. Now open Ludo King again, and your hanging problem should be solved.